Good morning to all of you, and once again welcome back to my channel Steam Mechanical. In this video I will be note down all the state equation of the subject thermodynamics, and I will be discuss about the importance of this state equation. So let's go to the point of discussion. Here basically there is a 6 state equation is present in this subject thermodynamics. Let we note down one by one. First one is simple. All we know PV by T is equal to constant. This equation also you can write like that: P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. This one is the equation 1. Okay, now equation number 2 is the basically first law of thermodynamics: Q minus W is equal to delta U. Here Q is the heat energy, W is the work energy, and delta U is the change in internal energy. Now this one also you can write like that, or dq is equal to du plus dw, where these are indicates the change in heat energy, change in internal energy, and change in work energy. This is the equation number 2. Then the equation number 3. Equation number 3 is the change in internal energy. Always you can write as a mCv T2 minus T1. Okay. Now next one is the equation number 4. This is the related to change in enthalpy. So delta H is equal to mCp T2 minus T1. Okay. Now equation number 5 is basically the first law of thermodynamics for the open system, and this is Q minus W is equal to delta H. Now this equation is basically known as a steady flow energy equation. So we all know the basic form of the steady flow energy equation. So let me write it: m dot H1 plus half of C1 square plus GZ1 plus Q dot is equal to m dot H2 plus half of C2 square plus GZ2 plus work. Okay, now here we know the H1 is the specific enthalpy, C1 is the velocity, and Z1 is the datum from the base point, okay, or datum line you can say. So this one is the equation number 5, and the last one equation number 6, and with help of this equation we can find out the entropy change. Okay, so first one is S2 minus S1. This S2 minus S1 means at point 2 or section 2 the entropy, and the section 1 what is the entropy. So this S2 minus S1 basically represent the change in entropy is equal to mCv ln T2 by T1 plus mR ln V2 by V1. Now this one is the one equation. Another equation also you can write down like that: S2 minus S1 is equal to mCp ln T2 by T1 minus mR ln P2 by P1. Also another equation is there, you can take help of this equation also. S2 minus S1 is equal to mCp ln V2 by V1 plus mCv ln P2 by P1. Now listen, basically these three equations are same, but based on your question what is the data is available in front of you, so based on this availability of data, you can use either this one or this one or this one to find out the change in entropy between two sections. Now listen carefully. Now these are basically the 6 equation which are known as a state equation, or state equation also known as a universal equation. Now what is the difference between any equation to this state equation or universal equation? This state equation or universal equation basically you can apply in each and every process. There is no restriction. We know that in thermodynamics there is a different kind of process is there. As we know, in thermodynamics there is a different kind of process is there, such as isochoric process means volume constant process, isobaric process means pressure constant process, isothermal process means temperature constant process. So you can observe, to find out the change in entropy, to change in work, to find out the change in heat interaction, there is a particular formula is present for a particular process. But these equations, this state equation, you can use for any kind of process. It may be isothermal process, it may be isochoric process, it may be isobaric process. Okay, it is not depend on the process. So this is the basically the importance of state equation. Okay, so before preparing for any competitive exam, so please remembering this all state equation and solve few questions related to the equation, so you will be get the clear idea, or you will be get confidence to solve the question help of this state equation. So in this video this much only. So I think this video will be helpful for you. So thank you.